let your love, let your truth be known. These days, the power's in your hands. Be the light in a world that needs to stay. Start with yourself. Start today and watch the world slowly find its way. These days, ooh, we all feel lost sometimes, caught in chaos in our own